Welcome back to another XXOTO software tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Move Point function, which allows you to move the nodes of an existing shape. This feature is super useful when you need to adjust or reshape a design, like turning a straight line into a curve or making other modifications to existing shapes. Let's walk through the steps. 1. First, click and hold the left mouse button to select the shape you want to edit. 2. Next, click the Move Point function and you'll see that all the nodes of the shape appear. 3. Click and hold the left mouse button to select the nodes you want to move. The selected nodes will turn red. 4. Now, hover your mouse pointer over the red node. Once the cursor changes, you can drag the node to move it and modify the shape. 5. If you want to turn a straight line into a curve, hover over the line between two nodes. Click and hold the left mouse button until the line turns green, then drag the line to create a curve. This tool is great for making small adjustments or major changes to the shape of any design. You can also combine the Move Point tool with other features like Del Node, Add Node, or others to make more complex edits. And that's how you use the Move Point function to tweak your designs. It's an essential tool for making any design more flexible. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more tips and tricks with XXOTO software. Thanks for watching.